Welcome to WebStylePress. This is a treat for designers. Do you need copyright-free AI-generated realistic images and photos inside Figma? We have a resource for you. From Figma, click on Resources icon, type Lumi. Run this plugin. This plugin is from Lumi.ai, Lumi.ai. This is all about copyright-free realistic AI images. From the plugin, search your image and use it in Figma. You can use a search filter as well. You can sort by color, orientation, amount of people, luminance. We have image categories in the plugin: architecture, animals, architecture, interior, art, direction, backgrounds, birds, cats. Huge collection of categories to choose from. You will find quality images for your designs from here. To apply image to your design, select a required frame and click on the image. Image will be applied to that frame as background. Similarly, let's apply more images. Let's select this one. And you can drag and resize frame and background image will auto adjust accordingly. So this plugin will enable you to search through a huge collection of copyright-free, realistic AI-generated images that you can modify and use in any way you like. Commercial usage is also allowed. Let us know in comments what is your favorite pick for AI-generated copyright-free images inside Figma. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.